Just south on Towns.
Paul Union on a silver Lincoln Navigator. 2 occupants. Stand by for final. 546 stop 8th intersection of 8th and Kent. Driver, turn the vehicle off, put your hands outside the window. Turn the vehicle off, put your hands out. Go.
597 will be in pursuit. We're going to be going eastbound.
Radio on camp. No traffic report. No traffic. Edwards. Pull over. This is the Garden City Police Department. Pull over. Keep.
East on Edwards. Pull over! This is the Garden City Police Department. Pull over!
Traffic conditions. He's going to be eastbound on Harding. As of now, approximately 10 miles an hour light traffic.
597, I got clear road conditions. We're still eastbound. Passing Harding. Speeds are 35. Reason for stop is ag. Robbery suspect.
Still eastbound, 35 miles an hour, 1533.
Albert, this is the Garden City Police Department. Pull over.
546. All jumped out. Suspect's going south on center.
Female is going to be. What was she wearing? Black shirt, black. He also note that I gave PA announcements. His window was down.
What was she wearing?
Black shirt. Black detail. 597. He also note that I gave PA announcements. His window is down. Turn around. He's reaching around.
Property to 649. Do you want to go try and intercept her? 546 south on center, passing Spruce. Speed 20 miles, 30 miles an hour. Speed 30 miles an hour, 1535. Property advised traffic conditions. 546 will be turning westbound on Fulton from center. Traffic conditions are moderate. Light traffic, he's staying in the westbound lane, he's not.
Crossing over. We'll be going north on 3rd Street. He keeps making further moves towards the center console area.
Speeds 45 miles an hour.
Albert, this is the police department. We're not going to stop. You need to stop the vehicle now.
Eastbound on Spruce, speed 20. 546 south on the 2nd. South on the 2nd. Reverse direction southbound. No traffic coming back up Spruce. No traffic 1537. Will be east on Spruce.
5-10 reference traffic conditions. Only got one vehicle on Spruce. Light traffic.
546 south on Fleming, speed 45. South on Fleming, 45 miles per hour, 1538. Property 353 has been notified.
546.
Eastbound speed unit traffic. We're approaching the bypass on 1032 with PD. I got 2 PD units in front of me. We are currently eastbound going past the office on Highway 50.
PD. I got 2 PD units in front of me. We are currently eastbound going past the office on Highway 50. Can you request supervisor permission for TVI if the opportunity presents?
572, the KHB unit is going to be ag robbery suspect, not ag burglary.
546, 597, like KHB 546, passing H&H, just went around, tried those stop sticks. Very successful. 571, I'll give it. 571.
We're going to be approaching farmland. Still headed eastbound 70 miles per hour. Approaching farmland eastbound 7 miles 50 count 512. We're going to be southbound on Farmland Road. South TV. It was unsuccessful. Still headed.
840. 570, checking TDI. It was unsuccessful, still headed.
First TVI is unsuccessful. We're turning east on Hillcrest Road off of Farmland.
Still eastbound, going 20 miles an hour. Eastbound at 20, 15, 41. 33 returning. We're still continuing east on Hillcrest. 15, 41. 40, Charles. 40.
Don't move! I'm gonna jump over. Don't move! Hands out!
Shannon, you got lethal. Put your
Yep.
hands behind your back. Put your hands in the small of your back. Both hands.
Don't move.
Okay.
Just turn him over? Yep. You put gloves on.
All right, I'm gonna roll you my way. You got latex gloves? Yeah. He's bleeding. All right, but are you good to stand up? We're gonna stand up on 3, okay? 1, 2, 3. All right.
I got a gun.
Oh, no. Don't move. What block is this? The pursuit end in 340 South. It wasn't chambered.
It was not?
No. We'll put it in my car.
Oh, no, let's take it over here.
Okay. You okay? Yeah. It looks like he's bleeding from the hands. Probably from the taser before and jumping up.
Handgun and we tow the vehicle from processing.
Okay.
307 out with
Who did he?
This one?
No.
no,
Mine's over there. Okay.
Well, or how about this one?
We'll just have EMS meet us at the
Okay. I'll go get my car.
Albert was taken into custody at the Finney County Jail and placed on a $100,000 cash bond while awaiting trial. A search of his vehicle revealed Albert was in possession of numerous pieces of drug paraphernalia at the time of his arrest. He was charged with 2 counts of robbery, 4 counts of aggravated assault, 3 counts of criminal possession of a weapon by a convicted felon, theft by threat of property valued between $25,000 to $100,000. Distribution of heroin less than 100 g, distribution, music, of certain hallucinogenic less than 100 g, fleeing on 5 or more moving violations, criminal threat, interference with Leo. Aggravated robbery and distribution of marijuana less than 450 g. In August 2024, a witness reported Albert for threatening him during the trial process, and Albert was subsequently charged with aggravated intimidation of a witness, aggravated assault, criminal threat, and criminal damage to property.